Welcome! Get ready to master Procoor and transform the way you manage projects. Let's dive in. Session 10. Letters processed through Procoor system. From the left menu, choose the project where you want to create and submit the letter. The project will be linked directly to the letter you're preparing. After selecting the project, go to the Communication section in the menu. In the Communication section, click on the Letters icon. This will direct you to the Letters log, where you can manage all related letters. Click on the Add New Letter icon to create a new letter. In the Subject field, enter a clear and descriptive subject for the letter. This helps the recipient understand the purpose of the letter at a glance. The document date will be filled automatically with the current date, based on when you are creating the letter. In the Reference Number field, enter a unique identifier for the letter, if applicable. This helps with tracking and referencing the letter later. The From Company field will automatically display the company associated with your account, or the company you're submitting the letter from. In the To Company field, choose the recipient company you are sending the letter to. In the Contact field, select the specific person in the recipient company who will be receiving the letter. In the Discipline field, select the discipline related to your letter. If this letter is a response to an earlier letter, choose the letter you are replying to in the Reply on Letter field. If the letter is being sent for the first time, leave this field blank. In the Area field, specify the area this letter is related to this letter. This helps in further categorizing and specifying the letter's context. In the Reason for Issue field, briefly explain why you are issuing this letter. For example, for information, for action, etc. If you are typing the content of the letter directly in the system, enter the full text of the letter in the Message field. If you're attaching a pre-written letter, leave the Message field empty. If you are attaching a document, like a Word, Excel, or PDF, click on the cloud icon that appears after you save the letter. Then select your file and upload it. After filling out the necessary details and attaching any documents, if required, click Close icon and go back to the Letters template to review your data. Ensure that all the fields, including the subject, recipient, message, and attachment, are correct. Once you're satisfied with the data, click on To Workflow to send the letter into the approval process. Choose the appropriate workflow for the letter. This depends on your company's approval process for letters. In the Contact field, select your own name if you're sending the letter on your behalf. After selecting the contact, click Send. This will initiate the approval cycle for the letter. Once the letter is sent, the approval cycle will begin. You can track the letter's progress as it moves through the workflow, and once it's approved, it will be finalized. Once the letter is in the workflow, you can track its approval process. By following these steps, you can effectively create, submit, and track letters in the Procoor system. Thanks for watching! Keep building your skills with Procoor. See you in the next video.